Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Classes. Today we will discuss the different types of command word present in 8259 processor. So the command words in 8259 processor are classified into two groups. First is the initialization command word and second is the operation command words. So first we will see the initialization command word or control word. So before we start functioning, we must first initialize our processor, that is 8259, by writing the 2 or 4 command words that is present in command words of 8259 processor, and these command words are called as a initialization command word. Means the 8259 programmable interrupt controller can be initialized with these 4 ICWs, that is the initialization command words, in which the first 2 command words are compulsory and the other 2 are optional. The last 2 initialization command word is selected on the base of the mode used by the processor, that is 8259. This is the flowchart, initialization flowchart for 8259, in which the ICW1 and the ICW2, these 2 command words are compulsory, and the ICW3 and the ICW4 are optional. These 2 initialization command word will be selected on the basis of mode of the processor. If your processor is operating in a cascading mode, then it will select the initialization command word 3, and if your processor is operating in a single mode, then it will select the initialization command word 4. Okay, as you can see in the flow chart, is cascade mode, it will select ICW 3, and if it will operate in a single mode, it will select the ICW 4. Okay, now cascading means, in case of cascading, the one chip of 8259 will be connected with the number of 8259 chips. Okay, there are interrupt request pins from IR0 to IR7. So all these pins will be connected with the next 8259 chip. Okay, in case of cascading mode. But in case of single mode, there is only one chip present in your device. Okay, so this is the initialization flowchart for command word, initialization command word. Now we will see the first initialization command word. Okay, in the next slide you will get the format of initialization command word 1. Okay, see, this is the format of initialization command word 1. So a write command is issued by the processor with A0 equal to 0 and D4 equal to 1, and these 2 bits will indicate that you are initializing the command word 1. Okay, so it specifies, this command word specifies that the single or multiple 8259 in the system. Okay, and also it specified 4 and 8 bit interval between the 2 interrupt vector location. Address bits A7 to A5 of the call instruction. Okay, edge trigger or lever trigger interrupt means your processor is operating in which trigger interrupt, whether it is using the edge trigger or whether it is using the lever trigger. Okay, the last, it specifies that ICW4 is needed or not. Okay, see, this is the format of initialization command word first. Okay, it contains 8 bits. in which the 8 bits are data bits, D0 to D7, and the last is 0. Okay, this bit indicates that you are using the initialization command word first. Okay, now we will see all these bits one by one. So the last bit, your LSB, that is D0. Okay, this bit indicate that whether your processor need ICW4 command word or not. If it needed ICW4, then this bit is set to 1. If it is not needed ICW4, it is set to 0. Next bit, that is the D1. If your processor, that is 8259, is operating in a single mode, then this bit is set to 1. And if it is operate in a cascading mode, then this bit will set to 0. Okay. Next bit, that is the D2. This bit indicate the interval, the time interval. Okay. So if your device uses 4-bit interval, it is set to 1. If your device uses 8-bit interval, it will set to 0. Okay. Now the next bit, that is the D3. This bit indicate the trigger mode used by your processor. If your processor is using the level trigger mode, then this bit will be set to 0. And if your processor is using the edge trigger mode, then this bit will be set to 0. Okay. Next bit, that is the D4. This bit is already initialized, or it is predefined bit. It is set to 1, and it indicates that you are using the initialization control word 1. Okay. Now the last 3 bit, that is the D5, D6 and D7. So this bits is used as a interrupt vector address. Okay. So the interrupt vector address will be stored in this bit. Okay. So this is the format for initialization command word 1 for the processor 8259. Okay. In this way, we will see all the 4 initialization command word present in 8259 processor. Okay. In the next video, I will explain the second initialization command word, that is the ICW2. Okay. Thank you.